How to resolve WhatsApp waiting for this message error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix an error saying waiting for this message in WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the WhatsApp application. Now make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now head over to the upper right corner. There is three dot icon. Tap on that. Now tap on settings. Here scroll down a bit and then tap on help. And then tap on help center. Now on the search bar, simply type in waiting. And after a few seconds of loading, there you will get bunch of options. And if you see on this third option that says about waiting for this message, this may take a while. So tap on this. Now in this page you will get an article that says all about this message, that is waiting for this message, this may take a while. So go through all of this article very carefully, and if you see here, there are some reason given that says you or your contact are not using the latest version of WhatsApp. So if your application is missing out any updates, you have to update your application, and so does your contact too. And the next reason, you or your contact might have recently reinstalled WhatsApp. If you have recently reinstalled WhatsApp, then also you might get this error. And the third one, the message was sent while you were offline, and by the time you got back online, the contact was offline. So if you sent the message in offline mode and by the time you got online, your contact was offline, so in this way also you will get an error saying waiting for this message. And the last one, the message wasn't delivered to you. In this case, please ask your contact to resend the message. If the message was not delivered to you properly, then also you get an error that says waiting for this message. So you have to ask your contact to resend the message. So to resolve the issue, make sure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp, and so does your contact, and ask the person you're messaging to open WhatsApp on their phone as well. And that's how you resolve WhatsApp waiting for this message error. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.